Welcome back to Toy Maker's Garage. Today we'll put our tractor and implements, made from scrap metal, to work. We have a cultivator for breaking the soil, an offset disc harrow for smoothing, and a trailer for hauling. Let's put them to work. This is our cultivator, 5 tines welded to a frame that'll dig into hard-packed dirt and break it up for planting. Watch as we attach it to the tractor and take it across the patch. You can see how the tines are biting deep, pulling up chunks of soil and turning it over. This is the first step in any farm operation, preparing the ground. Even though this is a toy-scale build, the mechanics are exactly the same as a full-size farm tractor. The weight of the tractor and the angle of the tines do all the work. If you want to build this cultivator, we've included step-by-step welding diagrams and material lists in our plans. This implement has a completely different job. Instead of digging, it's smoothing and leveling. Notice how it's angled, that's what makes it offset. As the tractor pulls it across the already cultivated ground, the discs are cutting through clods and creating a finer seedbed. You can see the difference immediately. Where the cultivator left rough, chunky soil, the disc is leaving a smooth, level surface. On a real farm, this step comes right after cultivation to prepare the perfect surface for planting. This is one of our favorite builds because the engineering is elegant and simple. The plans break down every measurement and angle so you can replicate it exactly. Finally, we've loaded our trailer with grass cuttings, simulating a real farm hauling job. The tractor's pulling the full load across the dirt patch, and you can see it handles the weight without any problem. Now for the satisfying part, the tip. Watch as we engage the hydraulic mechanism and the trailer bed tilts back, dumping the entire load. This is where the engineering really pays off. All that metal we welded together, all those joints and hinges, they're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. That's the magic of building toys that actually work. The trailer plans include detailed hydraulic setup instructions, so you can get this exact tipping action on your build. we've built here at Toy Maker's Garage, a fully functional toy tractor with 3 working implements, all made from scrap metal. Each one does a real job, just like the machines on actual farms. If you want to build your own, head to our website and grab the plans. You'll get everything you need: material lists, welding diagrams, assembly instructions, and troubleshooting tips. Building these toys is incredibly rewarding, and we'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.